Hey guys, it's me, Lily. Welcome back to me and Abby's channel, Clerk House. So, again, today it's just going to be me. But anyways, today, it's gonna be a little bit of a fun video to make. I'm actually really excited. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I think it's a pretty cool idea. But anyways, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be letting my squishy vending machine choose what squishy I have to remodel. So I'm gonna remodel like 3 or 4 squishies, but these are like easier to remodel because they're like really small. So I might do even more than that. They smell so good, actually. This kind of got destroyed from the last time you guys saw it. Unless you're newer here, you probably have not seen that video, but you guys should go check out the squishy vending machine video that I made a long time ago. I'll link it down below, maybe, I don't know. Or it might be in the iCard, who knows, just check both. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a fun video. You basically already know how it works, so basically I'm just gonna shake this all up, get a random squishy out of the vending machine. Whatever comes out, I have to remodel that. So it's gonna be fun. Let me get a better view. That's better. This thing kind of got destroyed from MB because she got hold of it a few times, and even some of the squishies in here got destroyed. But now I think it is time to choose a squishy. Well, I don't get to choose it, but it's time for the vending machine to choose a squishy. So I'm just gonna shake it all up. Sometimes it doesn't work, so just gotta make sure it works. And now I think I have a squishy. I really hope it's not like one of the actual good ones in here, because some of the squishies in here are actually pretty good. But some of them really need some work. It's like hot. Okay, I think the squishy is in there. Let's see. Oh, there's a squishy. What is that? Okay, you know what? I'm sorry, but I cannot remodel this. I'm sorry, guys. But I actually have a different one of these upstairs, so I'm gonna go get it really fast. Okay, guys, so I'm back. And yes, this is the exact same thing, except not as new. So I hope you don't mind that I'm remodeling this instead of a newer version, but I just don't want to remodel that. And plus I have the same thing but worse. So yeah, this is the first squishy that I'm gonna remodel. Now let's see what else we've got. Okay. Wait, oh my goodness, what am I doing? Okay. Then shake it all up.
Okay, let's turn it, guys, on the caster. Okay, I think something's in there. Oh my. We got 2 squishies that actually, of course, one of the other ones I really don't want to remodel, the egg. But, I mean, I'd be okay with remodeling this. I'm just going to put this back in there and remodel this one, because this one's, like, also kind of, like, worn out and stuff. So I think it'd be good to remodel that. So now, let's see. What else we get?
I technically didn't really cheat that round because I don't think it's right to get 2 of the squishies, both of them, so.
Hey guys, so let's see what else we're gonna get. We're gonna shake it all up. Now we're gonna twist it. Okay, I think it's done. We'll see. Oh, okay, so we got a piece of a broken squishy. I'm just gonna put that back in there. And then we got this little bear. So this one's actually kind of perfect, but I mean, I got it, so I kind of have to remodel it. Do you like your identity? Or do you want to be something else? Guys, get some remodeling the bear. Okay, let's see. I think this is gonna be the last one. Probably. I might do another one if I want, but I think right now, I don't feel squishy in there. I'm gonna do that again. Hopefully it works this time. that one. This is gonna be really easy. So I got a heart. Okay then, so looks like
these are the 4 squishies I got. So first I got the panda bun. I actually got the other panda bun, but I don't want to remodel that one, so yeah. And then I got this little rabbit, bear, which is actually like kind of perfect. I kind of want to remodel something else, but it's fine. And then this blue heart. So yeah, I guess the squishy vending machine chose these to be remodeled because that's what they wanted. So I'm just gonna start from the order that I got them. So let's do the panda bun first. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to be painting a white base coat on the panda bun, and I'm also going to be doing that to all the other squishies that I made. So yeah, enjoy some music while you watch me paint them all white. This is actually the next day, but I'm just here to tell you that there is an extra thing that I'm working on. So stay tuned till the end to see what it is. I actually worked on it a long time ago and then kind of forgot about it, but now I'm going to finish it, and I think it's gonna look amazing. You guys are going to love it. So now I'm gonna continue to work my squishies. Actually, last night I did put Cheerios because the panda bun is actually going to be a cereal bowl. Okay, so now I decided to paint the cereal bowl blue. I wanted to like fade the color a little bit, so I made like the bottom part like darker blue, and then I just faded it into a lighter blue at the top part. Surprise, surprise, I decided to make a cereal box to go with the cereal bowl just as like a little accessory. I was going to make it like smaller, but I wanted it to be like the size of like the cereal bowl, so it like went with it. So yeah, I just shaped out a cereal box, I glued it all together, and then now I'm going to be working on the bear. And I decided to go with a tomato theme. Guys, this is literally what I had to do. So this could dry because I painted both sides. So yeah, it's kind of difficult to find something that would not touch the actual squishy. Yeah, the struggles of making a squishy dry. Okay, so now I decided to paint the cereal box. I also put a bottom to it. I just like painted a bunch of random colors, and I thought it actually looked really cool. It was very colorful, kind of reminded me of Fruit Loops, which is the type of cereal that is on the cereal bowl squishy. Then I just worked on the tomato bear and gave another layer, and then I also worked on the cereal box. I just wrote Fruit Loops on it, and I also made a back to it and a top, and that's actually what I painted earlier, and that's what I made it for. And I also worked on the cereal squishy just so it would look neater, and put a rim of blue around the edges. Kind of fell, so I had to like fix it up more. And now I'm just working on the bunny and the heart more. And I'm also making Fruit Loop squishies, like mini ones, just to put in the cereal box. I thought it would be a cute little addition, just to make it better, I guess. I don't really know. I just thought I'd do it. Okay, so I just finished working on the tomato bear, and I thought it looked really cute, and then I decided to work on the bunny, and I thought I would do a Neapolitan ice cream theme. I don't know why, I just thought it would be cute. And then for the heart, I decided to do an American flag on it. I don't know, I think it looked cute though. Okay, now I'm working on the back of the heart, and I decided to do like fireworks, like on the 4th of July, just like a 4th of July theme. And I thought that looked really cute. And then I worked on the back of the tomato and the front of the Neapolitan ice cream bunny squishy. It's actually the next day, and I'm working on the package for the Fruit Loops squishies just to put inside the cereal box, just so like they like don't go around the box, because I feel like it'll look more empty like that, because I did make the box a little bit too big, but I still think it ended up looking really cute, and yeah, I just really liked it. So it is this like little chicken that I actually started working on years ago, and then I just decided to finish it now because I felt like it, and I really like how it turned out. The only thing that I don't like about it is that the back is like really empty and has like nothing on it, and it's just like the front that's being covered by the chicken. I really like how all the squishies turned out. My favorite has to be... actually, I have no favorite. I like all of them the same. They're so good. I love them, guys. I hope you do too. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Bye!